Welcome everyone. My name is Catherine Joy Alcantara. Today, I'm excited to present my research on enhancing community engagement for individuals with developmental disabilities. This study focuses on understanding the barriers they face and exploring ways to improve their participation in community programs. To begin with some background information, in Canada, around 1.5 million adults live with developmental disabilities, many of whom face significant barriers to community engagement. Addressing these barriers is crucial in promoting their overall quality of life. This study identifies gaps in its existing research, particularly in relation to effective strategies for inclusivity and family involvement. The primary research questions guiding my study is how can inclusive program designs and family involvement enhance community engagement among individuals with developmental disabilities? I use a qualitative research design centered around a thorough literature review. The focus was on peer-reviewed articles and case studies published within the last 10 years to ensure the information reflected recent insights on family engagement and developmental disabilities. I specifically targeted research that emphasized the importance of family contribution in the design and implementation of community programs. By applying strict selection criteria, I ensured that the findings were based on credible and relevant evidence. This process not only deepened my understanding but also helped identify the key themes and gaps for future research. The findings suggest important implications for community program development involving individuals with developmental disabilities and their families in program design leads to better engagement, ownership, and satisfaction. These implications highlight the need for proper training. Families must learn to communicate their insights effectively, and service providers must foster meaningful collaboration. The analysis also revealed significant gaps in the literature, with limited research on the practical application of inclusive strategies, the role of culture, and the impact of family dynamics. These gaps carry implications for future research aimed at improving inclusive community practices. The results revealed several key findings. First, inclusive program design enhances engagement by tailoring activities to participants' needs and promoting a sense of ownership. Second, active family involvement is essential, as families offer valuable insights that support more effective programming. Sensory processing issues also play a significant role, as sensitivities can limit participation. Lastly, programs that incorporate participant feedback show higher engagement, helping ensure activities remain meaningful and enjoyable. In conclusion, this study shows that inclusive program designs and family engagements are key to improving community participation among individuals with developmental disabilities. These findings offer valuable insights and highlights the need for further research to develop effective inclusive practices across diverse cultural settings. Lastly, here are the key references that inform this study. These sources cover inclusive practices, the importance of family engagement, and the impact of sensory processing challenges. Thank you for listening, everyone.